Ari's playing with the animus. Come on, get it out in the street. Get it on. The Helion animus on 7.4 helicopter battery. Whoa. Bring it home. Right there. Hands off throttle. Leave it alone until that person goes by on a bike. Okay, now you can go. Quit running it into me, huh? Get it out there, man. Quit trying to run it into me. Off in the duff again. Got a great big street in front of her. She can't keep it on the street. I'll pay attention to the cars. You don't worry about it.
Look at me. Gotta show Grandma.
What are you doing?
Trying to turn it around.
Yeah, I keep telling you. That's why it's got reverse.
Here's one.
What are you doing over here? Running into me again.
I'm not.
Back it up. Get it out on the street.
Back up.
Quit bringing it over here. Get it out in the street.
Out of the street?
In the street. Out in the street. How's that? You got a whole entire street, yet you seem to be not able to keep it in the street. I hope you drive better than this when you get older.
No.
Come on. What are you waiting for? Oh, here we go again. Off in the parking lot, not in the street. Let's get it in the street. There you go. Look at that. You got the whole entire road and you're off over there playing in the duff.
Hey.
Women drivers.
Hey.
You have 34 feet of street out there, yet you keep coming back to 5 feet of parking lot. It's not funny because that's how you crash things. That's more like it. You got the whole entire street. You can run up and down and up and down. And you're off in the duff again.
I'm trying to get out.
Well, you're not doing a very good job of it because now you're stuck, huh? Oh, nice. You're running into the garbage. It's not funny. You break parts that way. Let's get it out of there and get it back over here.
Your car?
Hot.
It's a car.
Hot. Hands off throttle. Now walk over there and go get it. The walk of shame. She's got 34 feet of street, but she seems the only one to drive it in the 5 feet of dirt and grass that's off the road.
And I'm back.
2 seconds and you're back in the dirt. 34 feet of street, Ari. 34 feet of street. That's the driveway.
I know.
Now you better get it back here, huh? Hello. We're over here.
I'm trying.
See, the problem is when you get that far away, then when a car comes, then you panic and you can't get it out of the street fast enough. Now get it back over here.
I can't.
Then you better go get it real fast.
Get the remote.
I don't know why she has such a problem keeping control of this thing. Oh well, she drives cars like I fly helicopters.
Let's get him.
Okay, are we done now?
Kind of warm.
Okay, we're done then.